Here's our vending machine for MIE438. Here we have the items that you can buy, the return area, bill sensing and sorting, coin input, and change return. So how it works is someone inputs $5 or $10 into here, or they can input quarters, loonies, or toonies, and basically sensors would count how much money is inputted. From there, the LCD would tell the user how much money they have, and users can use the keypad to basically choose what items they want from the selection here. After selecting, the auger mechanism, which is run by 4 DC motors back there, starts turning these augers and releases the items. From there, we have a change dispenser run by 4 auger mechanisms, 4 servo motors with a Scotch yoke mechanism. And these basically, one at a time, dispense toonies, loonies, or quarters. Again, from there, the coins return to the user, and that is our vending machine.